Installing Nodejs. Windows 11. Search for Nodejs on Google and select Download. Select Pre-built Installer. Choose the current LTS version, which is 20.13.1. Download the package. Open the package. Follow the installation wizard. Here, check the tick box as this will install all the development dependencies. Once this wizard exists, this process will start. Wait for the installation to finish. Depends the installation part. This will take about half an hour, so I'll just speed it up. Yep, that's it. Next, on Ubuntu, on the download page, select Package Manager. Here we'll get instruction on installing Node.js using NVM, the Node version manager. I will install using curl, as curl is a pseudo tool and it might sometimes lead to conflicts. So download the sh file using wget, give it execution permission, execute the file, open a new terminal, use the command nvm install --lts, wait for it to finish. Now to check node installation, use node -v and npm -v. These commands work on both OS. Now that's it. Thank you.